Friends, today we start a second topic in your chapter first, power sharing, and the topic name is why power sharing is desirable. You understand that power sharing क्यों desirable है उसके लिए there will be set of two reasons. The first one is a prudential reasons and the second one is a moral reason. If you are talking about the prudential reason, that is basically focus on outcome or result. आउटकम एंड रिजल्ट पे फोकस करता है. वी कैन से लाइक इट्स अ कैलकुलेशन ऑफ गेन और लॉस थ्योरीज. दैट मीन्स हाउ मेनी बेनिफिट्स वी हैव एंड व्हाट आर द नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंस. राइट, प्रूडेंशियल रीजन की बात करें तो दैट मीन्स क्यों पावर शेयर करते हैं हम प्रूडेंशियल रीजन में. दैट मीन्स इट हेल्प टू रिड्यूस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन द सोशल ग्रुप. डेफिनेटली ये क्या करता है, जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आते हैं सोशल ग्रुप में उनको कम करता है. दैट मीन्स देयर विल बी नो डिस्प्यूट्स बिटवीन द सोशल ग्रुप. इफ द डिस्प्यूट विल बी हैपन देन डेफिनेटली क्या होगा, दैट मीन्स दिस लीड टू द वॉयलेंस. ठीक है, वॉयलेंस अगर होगा तो डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं गवर्नमेंट में अनस्टेबिलिटी आएगी. राइट, तो दैट मीन्स हेल्प करता है, क्या करता है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को होने से. राइट, द सेकंड वन इज स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर. अगर पावर शेयर बिटवीन द सोशल ग्रुप अगर सही तरीके से पावर को शेयर किया जाएगा तो डेफिनेटली क्या पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर में स्टेबिलिटी रहेगी. दैट इज गुड फॉर द कंट्री. द सेकंड रीजन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट मोरल रीजन. मोरल रीजन बेसिकली फोकस ऑन वैल्यूज. डेमोक्रेसी में जो वैल्यूज होती हैं उन पे वैल्यूज, दैट मींस स्पिरिट क्या है डेमोक्रेसी की. दैट मींस पीपल हैव सम राइट्स, पीपल हैव सम फ्रीडम्स. राइट, तो मोरल रीजन की हम बात करें दैट मींस द वेरी गुड स्पिरिट ऑफ द democracy. That means you have to share the power between the groups and the parties, right? And the second is people have right to be concerned on how they are to be governed. That means give some rights to the people so they can easily participate in the government system. They can choose that which government is good. Suppose that means that government is a legitimate government, we can choose. Legitimate government क्या होती है, that means legitimate, that means valid, or we can say lawful. A legitimate government, that means people can truly participation in the government systems. Right, so this is the two set reason of power sharing. Second topic of a chapter, what are the different form of power sharing. Forms of power sharing. There are different forms of power in a democracy. Democracy हम जनरली देखें तो पावर किसके पास रहती है, people. People are the source of the power in a democracy. बट अगर हम मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी में बात करें तो देयर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ पावर, और उनमें से जो मोस्ट कॉमन फॉर्म्स हैं उनके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे. राइट, द फर्स्ट फॉर्म जो है दैट मींस पावर शेयर अमॉन्ग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. The powers will share between different organ of the government. We already know that, we already discussed that the different organs हमारे क्या होते हैं. We have three organs. Three organs हैं. First one is legislature. The second one is executive. And the third one is judiciary. Each organ check others organ power. Right, how? Because all the organs are exercised at the government level. They are the separate, the function is the separate, but they can check, they can connect to each others. Right, and this is the good balance of the power. Right, how? Check and balance. Law is made by the legislature. Right, judges are appointed by the executive branch. Right, how can they check the balance? Right, for example, all the ministers and the administrative authority is responsible to the parliament or the state assemblies. and the judges are appointed by the executive. But judges can also check the function of the executive and also check the law that is made by the legislature. ये जो complete जो process है, this arrangement is called the check and balance system, because each organ check the other's power. This is the first form of the power sharing. Second forms, power share among different level of the government. If you talking about the different level of the government, we have three level. First one is a central. This is also called a union. Second level is a regional level, state government, and the third one is local level, municipal corporation and पंचायती राज, जिसको हम पंचायत भी बोल सकते हैं, right? These are the three levels of the government. Central level, this is the general government that is responsible to the entire country, and this is also called a federal government. We can deeply study about federal government क्या होती, फेडरलिज्म क्या होता है, ये हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो आपका है उसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड रीजनल गवर्नमेंट्स होती है जो स्टेट्स पे गवर्नमेंट है, जो स्टेट्स के सब्जेक्ट्स पे काम करती है. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट हैज सम स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट, राइट? एंड द लोकल लेवल थर्ड जो गवर्नमेंट है दैट इज वर्किंग इन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस एंड द पंचायती राज. द थर्ड forms of the power sharing is among different social group. Third, that means forms of social group. Social group, that means there are some regional, religious and linguistic basis. Religious, because India is a very diverse country, there are different type of religions and different people who speak a different language, and they have a different cultures and customs, right? So different social groups में हम लोग power को share करेंगे, and that is the best example is a community government. कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट के बारे में हमने देखा था. बेल्जियम have a third kind of government, that is a community government, that is elected by the one common group. वन कॉमन ग्रुप में कौन कौन थे? डच लोग थे, फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन, नो मैटर वेयर दे लाई, राइट? ठीक है, उन्होंने कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म की थी, बेसिकली वर्किंग ऑन द एजुकेशन सेक्टर, कल्चर सेक्टर एंड लैंग्वेज बेसिस. दिस इज द गुड एग्जांपल. दैट इज also good because in weaker sections and the women also got a representative in the government sector, in the system of the government. And the fourth one is power share between the political parties, pressure group and movement. That means they can directly or indirectly influence the government, those in a control, those in a majority, like those forms in a government, right? How? Because in a democracy people are the source of the power, and people can choose the right person or can choose the representative. So there is a lots of competition in the political parties. अब competition political parties में है, तो definitely we know that power should not be in a one hand. That means in a long way. As suppose today is a government of BJP, maybe next elections में other जो alliance है, कांग्रेस या फिर other alliance party won and form a government. That means power एक हाथ में नहीं है. Definitely you have to responsible and work according to the wish of the people, right? अगर हम बात करें, sometimes one party not get a clear majority, then definitely they can two and more party come together and they can form a government, and that is a example of coalition government. In coalition governments, two or more parties come together and they can form the government. क्योंकि जब majority नहीं मिलती है किसी पार्टी को, they can tie up with the other parties or form a government. If you're talking about pressure groups, there are different type of pressure groups. Industrialists हैं, businessmen, traders, farmers, and industrialists जो worker हैं, they can also participate in the form of the government, right? So now your first chapter is completed of power sharing. Okay, thank you.